Today I'm going to be sharing everything that I have in my fall and winter capsule wardrobe, plus trying some stuff on and showing you some different looks and how I'm going to be mixing and matching. I just added everything up because I really wanted to know how many items I have, and everything, including some of my t-shirts from summer that I'll probably integrate into this fall winter setup. I have 31 items, including what I'm wearing, and I just did the laundry, so that is everything. And it's taken me forever to finally film this video, and I've also had a really hard time finding things. I had to return a bunch of stuff, but man, this is why I like two different types of hangers. I like the velvet ones so everything grips that falls off, and then I like the smooth ones for the small neck holes that you can't get the hanger into. So right off the bat, I have this shorter camel color sweater, and this is a new type of item for me. It's a shorter sweater, which I normally do not wear, but I'm gonna see if I can make this work with some stuff. It's more of a nowadays trend, and I just love the way this feels. It's so soft and warm. Then I have a really casual sweater. Then I have this green Michael Kors sweater, and it has these detailed zippers on the side. I think this will be really nice. I'll get a lot of use out of this. And I found all of these items at, where? I found all these items at TJ Maxx. This is a sweater I already had from when I was pregnant. This is 9 West. It's a big long sweater that could be worn with stretch pants, cozy yet still dressy. This is a sweater that my mom actually is lending me, or probably letting me have, because it was too small on her. But it's just a black simple sweater, and I've already worn it. I love it. It works great with jeans. Then I got this Jones New York shirt. It's a little dressier. It has a collar, and it's more of a silkier material. And then it has this detail on the arm. I think this will be nice for when I want to dress up, but yet still very comfortable. Here I went out on a limb and I got this sweater dress. It's very long. It can be worn with tights or stretch pants. But I think this will just be something super comfortable. My mom said maybe it's too dressy because it has kind of a puffy sleeve. But you know what? I don't really care because it doesn't feel dressy. It feels very casual and comfortable. So I got that. That was from TJ Maxx. Then I found this dress, which you might have seen me wear in a video already. I love it. It is from Amazon, and I went and bought probably 5 things from Amazon because I always hear people saying, buy clothes from Amazon. It's great, great deal, and they fit great and all this. And I struggled to find anything I liked, number one. The 5 items that I bought, I ended up returning everything but this dress because I feel like it just didn't look the same as the person in the photo looked. I looked totally different wearing it, which could just be me, but I really liked this, and I might actually go on and see if they have other colors that I like, because I think this will work for not only fall and winter with sweaters over it, but maybe even for spring and summer because it's a very thin material. And also keep in mind, we live in Southern California, so the weather here is a lot warmer than other places, obviously. Then I have the shirt I already had, shirt dress, whatever you want to call it, tunic. And I wore this the other day. I love it. It works great with stretch pants. And then I have this little sweater. This is great for over a t-shirt or by itself. I got this from Costco. Here are all the pants I have. So these are a stretch pants that we'll wear under dresses. These are a green jeans. This is more of a casual pair of kind of sweatpants. I will probably not wear these out of the house unless I'm doing something super casual, but this will be more of a hanging around the house outfit where I want to be dressed, not wearing pajamas, but I don't want to be dressed up. I want to be very comfortable. Then I have some boot cut jeans that I got. These are Levi's. I think I got them from Macy's. And then I have my skinny dark blue jeans, Levi's skinny black jeans. This is such a tight angle, but this room is very small and there's just not a lot of room in here. So these are all my t-shirts and one tank top from summer and spring. These I wear pretty much all year long, and I mostly wear black, but then I do have a few blue, light blue and teal, and a gray one. But I feel like the black shirts are the most used because I just feel comfortable in a black t-shirt. And honestly, where we live here, it'll be cold in the morning, and then sometimes it warms way up by the afternoon, like 1 or 2. And then it cools down at night. So there has to be some variance where I can grab a t-shirt easily. So this is quite a few, but not really if you think about it. I mean, if I don't do laundry soon enough, I need to have this many, so works out great. And then I have this casual shirt you would have seen in my last decluttering video. This is where I wouldn't mind a few more items, but we'll see. I would like one more of these, but in a lighter color. And then I have this gray long sweater, which I'm loving. Then I have just my super casual sweatshirt that I throw on to go pick up the kids, you know, at night from practice and stuff. And then I have one longer sweater that I've been wearing. I wore it today. The different shoes I have, one is a short booty. I would not wear this out walking far, like kids to school or anything, because eventually my feet would start to hurt. But this is comfortable, especially if you're not doing a ton of walking. Then I have this little boot. These are called Clark's, and these are super comfortable. Again, after a full day of wearing these, my feet feel like they want a different type of shoe. Like it hurts once I continue wearing these, but they're good for a full day and I don't have any sores or anything on my feet. And then I have these bear traps. These are really comfortable, but again, these after one full day, I'm like, I just want to put a tennis shoe on. So have these 3 pairs of shoes for outfits, and then I also have my regular like walking shoe, tennis shoe, and then flip-flops because we live in California and I'm wearing flip-flops right now and it's the end of October. So yeah, that's how I am going to be working with my shoes. And then these shoe holders are from IKEA. I always get asked about these. All IKEA, I've had them forever. They last forever, and they're still selling a version of this right now because I saw it in the store. So anyways, this is everything, and let me show you some of the looks that I'm putting together with that. Here's one really casual look. I've had this shirt forever. I think I got it from Costco. I wouldn't mind having a few more shirts like this. This is the Levi's skinny black jean with a super casual top and flip-flops. Here we have the same pants with the boot, and then I put on this casual sweater. It's so soft, I love it. Anyway, I'm not a fashion blogger, so this is just what is comfortable for me, what feels good, and what I feel comfortable in and think I look good in. Please don't leave me comments saying that you think I shouldn't be wearing certain things, because, you know, you gotta wear what's comfortable for you and what you like. So now we have the same bottoms, new tops. So you get the idea. So every top can go with just about every bottom, and vice versa. They can just be swapped around, and that is what I feel a capsule wardrobe is really all about. You can still have bright stuff and colorful stuff, but just be able to mix and match it all. I don't want to have one item that only works with one other thing, and then I can only wear those 2 things together, because then I feel like I have these extra things that can't be mixed and matched. So to me, it's not about colors or patterns or anything like that, because I'm happy mixing, matching, all kinds of crazy stuff. But it's more about, like, if I only have a shirt that can only be worn with certain pants, I try to steer clear of that. Just personal thing. Boot cut jeans with the heel and the same green sweater. Here we have the slightly shorter sweater with the boot cut jeans. And I feel like just transitioning to this lighter camel color with the lighter jeans, it's just a completely different look, but it's still a sweater and jeans. So this makes me feel like I'm back in high school. This was kind of the fashion then, and we have the boots, and I love this feel. And I feel like as I continue to lose weight, I will feel more comfortable in the shorter sweaters. Here is the dressy sweater I was talking about with the poofy sleeves. It's so casual and comfortable. It comes all the way down to my knee. I would probably put black tights with this, because I think this looks a little abrupt having like white leg and then black. So let me throw my leggings on and show you what that looks like. And here is the same dress with a black legging, and probably wear black socks so you don't see my ankle, but you get the idea. I have the boots on and this super comfortable dress, and I feel like it's just, it looks dressier, but it's still really casual and comfortable. And I can pull these sleeves down if I'm cold and pull them up if I'm getting hot. I can link this dress down below because I know it was bought online. But here we just have this really comfy dress with the leggings and the boots, and it is so comfortable. And if it's too cold, I can. By adding this sweater, it just gives this dress a totally different look. And now it looks more like a skirt and a sweater top, which is so comfortable, yet to me still looks very dressy for my casual style. And I still have the boot on. I can always go to a loafer type flat shoe and dress this down a little bit, take the leggings off if it gets too hot. You know, you can just mix and match and make it work and look as stylish as you can when you're not your normal size. I have 4 pairs of pants that I'm comfortable wearing out of the house, and then I have the stretch pants for under things. Then I have about 10 shirts and sweaters. So I could multiply the 4 pairs of pants, obviously, times the 10 different things, and I have 40 different looks. Then I have the 2 dresses. So I have the sweater dress that could be worn over pants or over the stretch pants. So that's like 2 different looks there. Then I have this dress. If I wear it by itself, that's one look. With a sweater, that's another look. If I have my long black sweater, that looks completely different. So that's about 3 different looks there. So if you're ever worried that you won't have enough looks or different things to combine and mix and match, I've never found that to be a problem with a more minimal capsule wardrobe. And I know this, of course, is not as minimal as it could be, but I'm super happy with this amount of stuff. Like I said, I might still keep my eye out for a thinner long sleeve shirt. I think that would be nice. And possibly another wide leg pair of jeans if I came across the perfect thing. But other than that, I'm really happy with this, and I feel like there's enough things that can be switched around and give me plenty of different styles and looks. And to be totally honest, I'm still defaulting to the most casual looks, especially when I'm dropping my kids off at school or practice. It's mostly jeans, a t-shirt, and a sweatshirt or an over sweater, because I just feel the most comfortable in that, especially if I'm out walking and I want to be wearing tennis shoes. It's all about comfort for me. But I do want to be able to get dressed up and still feel put together when I want to, when I want to be out and about and doing less active things. I'm not the type of person who feels comfortable wearing workout clothes kind of all day or pick up and drop off all the time. I just want to feel a little bit more dressed, even if that's just jeans and a t-shirt. I just don't like that feeling of feeling like I just rolled out of bed. I mean, I do just roll out of bed, but I just want to look a little bit more put together. Nothing against people who like that look. That's awesome. I don't feel comfortable in that. So I'm trying to find a little bit more stuff that I can feel a little bit more put together in. And as I'm getting a little older, maybe that's the reason. I just feel like yeah, I want to not look my age. I don't want to look old, but I do just want to look like I'm not a overwhelmed mom wearing pajamas, which sometimes is the case, especially if I'm at home. Anyways, I hope that this was helpful. I have a full blog post on capsule wardrobes, so I will link that down below. So in case you're interested, you can learn more about what I feel a capsule wardrobe is and ways to create one and all of that. It'll be linked below, as well as the link to this dress in case you're interested. Honestly, I'm not trying to sell this to anyone, but I was surprised I found anything, and I really like this. So I'm gonna look and see if I could find another one with possibly a different pattern or color. Thank you for being here on this super laid back video about my capsule wardrobe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.